Hello, my name is Andre Soriano. I'm in PROG1095, and this is my PLC Project 2. I'll get this started so that we can go. One of the things I implemented was a delay on the conveyor belt. So if you see that the first cycle is kind of messed up, that's just so it would sync with the stamp, because I put timers on the conveyor belt and the stamp. So in Project 1, what I did was this whole stamping process wouldn't even finish and it'd send the part through, but this time it'll actually finish the full stamp process and then send the part through. So and I use timers for both the stamper cylinder and also the belt. And if you look now, like, everything's synced up. Another thing I added was a timer here that keeps track of the total runtime. If you see, it counts every second that it's running. I did converting the signal to do the stamp pressure. I also have one that calculates the weight of the part. So every single part that comes in, it calculates it. Another feature I did is keeping track of the last part weight. And because of that last part weight, it tells me what's passed and what's failed. So, like, if the weight is 100, it's a pass. Anything less would just fail. It count as a failed part. And I also have a total parts count here. But yeah, that's basically what I have. And like I said earlier, I do have some timers and all that for this cylinder here, this belt, and another place. I think I have a retentive for the total runtime. But yeah. And I'll just showcase my code real quick. I don't know if that's enough time, but stop this. And here's like a quick run, going through my code. This one is pretty long, but yeah. So yeah, that's basically all I have, and thank you for watching.